Our topic for today is states of matter. Matter is made of particles. It exists in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter are due to the different arrangement of particles of matter. In solid states, particles of matter are very close to each other. The solid particles hold each other very tightly. There is a strong force of attraction between them. Solids have a defined shape and volume. In liquid states, the particles are packed closely together, but they are much farther apart than the particles in solid, and so the force of attraction is weaker than it is in solid. Therefore, liquids have a defined volume, but they do not have a defined shape. Liquids take off the shape of the container in which they are kept. In gases, the particles of matter are very far away from each other. Then so the force of attraction between particles of matter in gases and very weak. Gases have neither a defined shape nor volume. Gases can fill the entire space or volume of a container, irrespective of the container size.